Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain SHOPBACK app review to see if it's worth using. So to get started, the Shop app lets you earn real cashback whenever you shop online at partner stores like Amazon, Walmart, Booking.com and hundreds more. All you need to do is open the app, then tap on your stores you want and complete your purchase through the provided link. Then ShopBack will track your transaction and credit cashback to your account once it's verified. You can withdraw the money to your bank or PayPal once your balance meets the payment threshold. The app also includes bonus challenges, promo codes, and special flash cashback offered to boost your earning. On the downside, cashback tracking isn't always instant, and in some cases it may fail, requiring manual claims. Some users also report long wait time for a week or month sometimes before cashback becomes withdrawals. But overall, if you consistently shop online and remember to activate offers through the app, ShopBack is a great way to earn back a portion of your spending with a little effort. And yes, it's worth using. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.